Leaders versus managers. What type of personality do you need to do a commercial conversion? Well, let's look at the two. Leaders. What does a leader do? Well, the leader is the type of person who does the right things. Okay? Does the right things. They tend to inspire and motivate their teams. They set the vision and then they let other people get on with it. They're very good at delegation and then letting the experts take over and do the how type of thing. They will ask the questions, what are we doing and why are we doing it? Conversely, managers on the other hand, managers are the type of people who do things right. Notice the difference there. They look at controlling and monitoring, okay, and keeping everything moving forward. They don't ask what and why, that's where the leaders come in. What they ask is, how are we doing this and when are we doing this? Now in reality, you will need both types of personality to do a commercial conversion. But what you need to be doing as the developer, as the lead on your commercial conversion project, is you need to be in that leadership space. So you need to be inspiring and motivating your teams, letting them know what it is that you are building, why you are building it. All right? And then you need to let your managers take over so that they can control and monitor and make things happen, because they'll be looking at the what you're doing and how you are doing it. They're doing the when aspect. So which type of person are you? Are you more in that leadership space or are you more in that management space? So my name is Dan Eaton. I am the lead trainer here at Progressive Property for commercial conversions. So let me know in the comments below where you think you fit naturally. Do you more kind of sit in the leadership space or do you sit more in that management space? Let me know in the comments below. Now, why is it important that we are more in the leadership space for commercial conversions? Well, in the reality, in most property projects, if you are the type of entrepreneur that's going out there and you are going out there to get your dream, your vision, whatever it is, chances are you need to be in that leadership space anyway. Okay? Now, the reason it's very important in commercial conversions is commercial conversions can be quite complicated. Now, they're not complex, they just can be complicated. There's quite a few moving parts. So as the leader, what you will need to do is assemble your team. You'll pull together all your individual managers, but you need to make sure that they all know exactly what it is that you are aiming for. You need to give them that motivation, inspiration, and most of all, communicate the vision. Now, for example, it might be that you are taking a commercial building, let's just say a bank, for example, and you're going to convert that into 3 apartments which are going to be used for rental income for young professionals or maybe people moving out of HMOs or smaller flats, maybe a couple moving in together, something like that. You need to communicate that vision to your team. Because if you just turn around to them and said, right, you lot, get on with it, I need 3 flats out of this bank, you don't necessarily know what you're going to get back. They may have an idea about the flats that they're going to create are for, let's just say, downsizers from big family homes, for example. Maybe they're looking at it going, oh, well, they said 3 flats. That's basic specification. You know, they don't necessarily know what it is that you have in your mind, the vision for the property. Now, if you are the type of person who wants to do commercial conversions, but you find yourself more in that micromanagement and that management space, don't worry, okay? There are some things to think about with this. You need to think about that vision, you need to think about delegation, and you think about communication. If you are thinking about those 3 things, chances are you're starting to work more in that leadership space rather than the management space. If you find yourself on site looking at charts and communicating with trades when they need to do things, that is not where you need to be, okay? That's the manager space, and in all likelihood, you will have a project manager that will be getting a little bit upset with you because you're stepping on their shoes. So you get out the way, let them do their job, let them create the units for you, okay? And while they're doing that, you can be then looking at your next project. So now you've heard that. Do you recognize some of those traits in yourselves? Let me know in the comments. Have you found yourself saying things like, well, if I paint it myself, I'll save some money? Let me know if that's you. It's fine, just let me know. It'd be good to see who's being honest on this conversation thread. Now, if you want to get involved in commercial conversions and learn how to do it properly, how to be in that leadership space and how to leverage your experts, if you click on the link in the description, I have put a report in there that will help you on your journey. Now, when I say report, I actually mean a comprehensive ebook, so click in that link in the descriptions and get that ebook downloaded and get started on your commercial conversion journey. So if you like the content on this channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, and I'll see you on another video on the channel soon.